this is Carla from the Learn English by Speaking English show, and I am coming back to speak to you. Why does the world need to speak English? English is the global language of the world. It's the language that is being taught in the schools worldwide at this point. And because it's being taught in schools, and because people are learning it from all over the world, we now have a global language. We now have a language that everyone can be speaking. Everyone can understand each other. I am not saying that you give up your native language. That is not what this is about. You should speak to your children in your native language. You should speak to your neighbors and your family. But in order to be a part of the global world, we need one language that everyone can understand. With the internet now and COVID-19 locking us down in our houses, it's very important that we begin working globally and not just thinking that everything needs to be done in our own town. I speak to people from Pakistan, India, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Somalia, Brazil, people from all over the world who come and speak different languages. And the only way that we can speak together is by speaking in English. The more we speak in English, the more we practice speaking in English, the more global our whole business becomes, the more global our whole mind becomes. We begin to open up and become a part of the world more and more. Speaking in English is extremely important, but don't give up your culture. Don't give up your language. Just feel comfortable. Many people have already learned how to read and write English. Believe it or not, you're doing the hardest thing first. When you're a baby and you learn to speak, you're not reading or writing, you just begin saying, Mama, Dada, I want my food, or I want something. And it comes out easily in your native language. If you can read and write in English, I know you can speak it. It's your lack of confidence that keeps you from doing it. Yes, come to my show. Yes, come and be scared to speak. But 99.9% of the people who come and speak to me in English do beautifully. Everyone makes mistakes. There is no one who is perfect. There is no one who speaks perfect English. Even when I speak to someone in my own country, we speak differently. You just need to open your mouth and let those words flow. And the more you do it every day, the better you're going to become. It's so easy. You can do it. Don't give up. Just speak. And realize that that's an important thing to do. And with that, we'll go on to the next lesson, which is what software do we need to teach people to feel comfortable speaking English?